Hello guys, it's Lucky75 from Hardware Heaven channel. Today I will show you unboxing of this fantastic stick for any kind of smartphones from DJI OM5, which is with amazing features. As you can see from here, it can be a selfie stick, very easy to travel with him and very easy to use. Also, it's have automatic stabilization of your picture, and the battery inside is very big, so you can use it a lot of time, about 5 hours, and it's compatible with Apple Store and Google Play software. Nice. So let's see what we have inside this beautiful box. And we are ready. What we got inside? Nice documentation. Yep. With special tags. Okay. And here is OM5. Nice beauty. Wow, it looks amazing. What else we have inside the box? Let's see. Wow, here is the charging cable. Nice. A good little fancy stick. And here is very good for smartphones, and that one is a special selfie stick, also a tripod. You can use this one like a tripod. Yeah. Yep. After that you can fix it here and it's ready to use. If you like this video, press the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays!